Huh? Oh, yes. Uh-huh. Do you like those toys? Oh, good.
Oh, we saw.
Hmm? Say hi.
Hello.
I'll send this to your mom.
Okay. Come on.
So, let's see.
Hey, Wes. You
Whoops.
get in the video?
Oh, wow. Okay. Woo. There we go. It's sort of doing a sideways thing, so.
Kobe wants to be on now. Look at her. She
Yeah,
wants to be a showboat.
Whoops. I go very slow because I'm going to make somebody sick.
She's showboat.
Whoops. There
Look at
you
her
are.
go.
There you are.
Hey, Kobe.
Wow.
Do tree.
Oh.
Do
Can you
the
do a tree? What's a tree?
Kobe. What's the tree? Show us
Yeah. Whoops. What's a tree? Okay.
Kobe, let's see tree pose.
Can you do a tree pose?
Let's tree pose.
What's a tree?
That's one of Mommy's yoga moves.
Ah.
She knows it.
Oh. Wow. You do the tree?
Kobe, let's see the tree pose.
Do the tree pose.
Watch, Wes. Hold on.
Do the tree pose. Ah. Very good. Okay. I'm going to stop it. Let's see.
Okay, Wes.
Whoops.
That's enough.
Okay. Okay.